We are describing second lesson of economics, people as resource. Now we will discuss the economic problem that lies in India, unemployment. You have seen that there are large number of people in our society. They are educated or they are interested to do work, but they are unable to get any job. So such people are known as unemployed people. Now what do you mean by unemployment? Unemployment is a situation in which people are willing to work at the going wages, cannot find the jobs. Now, unemployment is of different types. Mainly, there are the three types of unemployment: seasonal, disguised, and educated. Seasonal and disguised mainly found in the rural areas, in agricultural activity, and educated unemployment lies in urban areas. So we can say that nature of unemployment different in rural and urban areas. In rural areas there is seasonal and disguised unemployment, and in urban areas there are the educated unemployment. And disguised unemployment that mainly lies in agricultural activity known as underemployment also. Now we will describe the types of unemployment. First, seasonal unemployment. You have seen that in agriculture activity, or we can say in the rural area where the people mainly dependent on agriculture, they are getting the work only in few months of a year, and remaining months they are without work. So the people, they are suffering from seasonal unemployment. So seasonal unemployment means when the people are able to find work only during some months of the year, and some months they are without work. Second, disguised unemployment. This also mainly found in rural area in agriculture activity. People engaged in agriculture, they face this problem. In this unemployment, people appear to be employed, but in actual, they are not employed. For example, in an agricultural field, 8 family members are working, but on that field there is need of only 5 members. 3 members are extra. If 8 people are working, same production. If 5 are working, then also the same production. If we will remove the 3 people from that activity, there will be no effect on the agriculture production. So these 3 people are extra. These 3 extra people are known as disguised unemployed people. Third, educated unemployment. Such type of problem mainly lies in urban areas. When educated people are not able to find jobs, even they are highly educated, they are graduate, postgraduate, they are not able to find job. Unemployment of graduate and postgraduate has increased faster than matriculate people.